Welcome back, my dear subscriber. Here are predictions for October 2024. And before I start, as always, I would like to thank my Jyotish gurus and my spiritual gurus for always guiding me. I'm truly grateful. It's an important month. There's lots happening. You can check out the general predictions for details on the global scenario and other details on the homepage of the app. Since not many of you gave me feedback on the cards, I'm going back to my original format and not giving you guidance cards for the month. In case you miss them, you can ping me and I can add them in the month of November. So here is October 2024 for you. So Aquarius, here is October 2024 for you. Aquarius, I know you've been through a lot lately. You're feeling a little restless because you are making a lot of effort. The recent few days might have also given you some support or some sudden new aspects to things. So I want to tell you that this month is going to continue at a slow pace. You will feel backtracked on a few things. You need to re strategize, rework on a couple of things. But the good news is, post the 15th of November, which is literally just next month, few weeks to go, things are going to finally start moving in a direction that is more favorable to you. Till then, this particular month is about taking that backtrack, about re strategizing, about understanding if there's something else you need to do. It's about being patient. So don't be impulsive in this month. Aquarius, this is also a month where I see that some of you can have extra expenses, unexpected expenses, or you needing to spend money on your family or loved ones or at home, or you not receiving the money you thought you will. So there can be some delays or dissatisfaction in your finances. So you have this information beforehand. Plan your budgets accordingly so that you're not stuck. Carefully plan your budgets out and try and push for things in the first 9 days of October. The middle of the month can also bring some comfort, some luxury around home, some positivity at your workspaces. However, after the 21st, around the 20th, 21st of October, you need to be a little careful because there can be some arguments at work which are unnecessary. You have this information, so remind yourself to be mindful. Don't act out of impulse. Don't jump into a fight that you can avoid because the last 10 days can be very tempting for you to get into some sort of conflict around work or with your colleagues, your bosses, and it's something that you should just stay away from and avoid. In case any of you have to deal with matters connected to real estate, compliances, legal documents, it could be visas, passports, any other anything that has to do with legalities and compliances. Try to finish it at the earliest because the longer you take, the worse it's going to get. You'll get stuck. So try and finish it in the first 10 days because end of this month you'll not get the best results and things may get delayed a little more. I also see that end of the month can bring some sort of unexpected changes at work. Some projects you thought will go a certain way may not. So just go with it. Like I said, November is going to bring more positive news to you and things will start falling into place. So this month, you just have to be a little patient, especially the last few days. You have to just watch yourself. This is also a month when you should be mindful of your health. Be a little careful. Try to bring in a regime. Go work out every day. Yoga is a great practice for you. It will be really, really favorable. Watch your health. Take care of your health as there can be some issues around it. So, Aquarius, this is all that I have for you for the month of October. Have a great Diwali. I'll be back with predictions in November. Till then, take care and have a great month.